2, 1, crescendo!
Number 2 Alliance versus number 7, and number 2 is coming in hot. That's Fondi Fire and WarriorBots launching some notes into their red Alliance speaker, but blue is not going to be outmatched. We see Roaring Robotics already loading up their Alliance's amp. 2 in there, and they're up 25-7 against the number 2 Alliance. A hard hit for no Mythic on the blue Alliance, but they're back in action, grabbing a note of their own and swerving back. More Robotics on the red Alliance. Looks like a note may be stuck in their actuator, trying to spin it out. That could be a big break, as we see blue is already amplified. That's going to be big. Those notes worth 5 points apiece. They are up 31 to the red Alliance's 9. Graffiti making up some of that deficit. A note in their possession, and they're looking to pop it into their Alliance's speaker. However, none in their amp. Those notes are still worth just 2 points apiece. We see some penalties coming out on red near the blue loading station, potentially for some contact in that station. But no Mythic on the blue Alliance. Undeterred, they're lined up in front of their speaker. Up and in for the blue Alliance, who currently is 1 note away from being able to amplify again. Roaring Robotics putting in the work on that blue Alliance amp, and it is paying off dividends. Nearly 25-point deficit between these two alliances. The number 7 lower seed Alliance looks like they could pull out the win, but Fondi is coming back. They've got a note up in their Alliance's speaker, and they're going for another in their source zone. They've got it quickly in their possession. Their partners taking their place in the source zone, swerving under their Alliance's stage. Up and in, another 2 points for your red Alliance. Graffiti, a note stuck on their robot, but they were looking to do the same. More Robotics, some tough defense. Currently a 1v3, but they're winning a bit. All 3 blue Alliance robots slowed down, and that's what Fondi and Graffiti need to help pull this match back. With 30 seconds, there's a 28-point deficit, and blue is once again amplified. Their score extending 54-23 as we approach the 20-second. Opponents can no longer go into or contact robots in their opposing Alliance's stage. High notes coming out from those human players. 1 stuck on Roaring Robotics, none currently landing on any of those microphones. But we see Roaring Robotics going up. No Mythic, and New Berlin are trying to go up. Fondi with 1 second trying to go up. We've got 2 on blue as the buzzer